Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 27th April to 1st May 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here USD JPY chart is open. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 0.23% negative move, 159.339 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 6134 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. Now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here in USD JPY, you can see some important supports and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing. So here 159.339 is the closing. Here the direct support is 159.177. Direct resistance is 159.444. After direct support, there is a support of 158.917 and then 158.619. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 159.764 and then 160.003. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared important discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you are interested, you can use those code as well so that you get discounts. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. But if you think these rules are very strict and you don't want any rules if you are trading, then you can also open a live account that is via broker. I have already given a link in the description of GTC FX. You can open your account from there and get funded. Soon I'll be sharing a GFT live payout request, so I'll be sharing that video as well. So do subscribe so that you don't miss that video as well. So now let's talk about my opinion USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative closing but in a no trading zone which is in this range 159.177 to 159.444. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. What are your expectation? Do let me know. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 159.177 gets breached and a 4-hour 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level which is 158.917. And if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 159.444 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till this level, which is 159.764. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in a sideways range or in a no trading zone. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.